Welcome back. In today's video we'll be looking at ways to fix sound not working in games on Xbox Series X, Series S or Xbox One. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the methods. The first method is to fully close and then restart the game. Obviously you'll want to make sure the game is at a safe place to restart, but to do this, open the menu by pressing the Xbox button on the controller whilst in the app. Now find the game on the list in the menu and highlight it, and then press the Start button. This is the right of the 2 or 3 middle buttons on the front of the controller. This will bring up a new menu and you need to select the option called Quit. You can now open the game back up and it should have sound. If not, we'll try something else. Next, it's worth unplugging and then reconnecting your headphones or headset. If they still don't have sound, try testing them on another device such as a PC or laptop to see if the problem is with the headphones. An obvious fix is to check that your device has the volume turned up. Some headsets will have a volume control on them, so try turning this up. The next method is to check the settings on your Xbox. Open the menu again by pressing the Xbox button on your controller and now navigate to the profile page, which is the furthest right. Now select Settings and then within the settings choose General from the left and then Volume and Audio Output. On this page, first choose Audio Testing and Details. On the right side, it will show which sound formats your devices support. Make a note of this and then head back a page and ensure the 2 options on the left are set to something that had a green check mark on it from the last page. Test the game sound now and you may need to restart it again with the method shown earlier. Head back to this page for some more fixes. Next, select Audio Testing and Details again, and this time select Reset Audio Settings. Test the game out again now, and then head back to this page once again. Now select the option called Additional Options. Make sure everything on this page is correct for you. For example, if you aren't getting party chat, make sure this is selected to come through the correct device. You might also want to uncheck the box called Mute Speaker Audio when headset attached if you want the sound through your TV. Next, if you're in a party and don't hear game volume, open the party and choose Options from the list, and then Audio Settings. Make sure the second slider is somewhat towards the game icon, but you can customize this balance to your preference. The next method is to restart your Xbox console. Turn off the console like you would normally, and once it's shut down, fully disconnect it from a power source. Wait a few seconds and then connect and power on the Xbox and test the game out. There's always a chance that the issue is caused by a bug in the game. Check online to see if others have had the same problem, and if they have, you could try and update the game or wait for a fix in a future update. Unfortunately, those are all of the methods I have. As always, I'll keep the description updated with any new solutions I find, and if any of you find a fix in the future, then it would be great if you could return to the video and post it in the comments to help others. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.